we're going to have to remember to turn on developer options. So how do you do this? So I'm on Samsung Galaxy About Phone, software information, build number, which is right here, and it says to tap the option 7 times. So here, where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just have to turn it on. This is just a reminder because sometimes you're gonna have a phone that doesn't have dev options, and you're gonna be like, "Oh, Kivy Reloader doesn't work." No, it does work. You just have to remember to turn on developer options, and then you'll have this option right here. So you can just open developer options, and basically you can be able to upload apps to your phone, or at least sideload apps to your phone using ADB. Now we will go to the install. So in the install here says we're going to install Homebrew. So, and then I will just go very quickly on how to install Homebrew. So again, it's command space, terminal. And then here to install Homebrew, I think I can double install. So I can just copy this. Now, if you see this thing that says copy paste blocked, you simply just go to, where is it? Extensions, you block origin, and then turn it off, and then refresh the page. This is just because these commands right here, they're usually used by hackers, but because you're a developer, you know what you're doing, and you can start doing these console commands. So like this, and then let me turn on terminal, then let's see, Control V. I think, I don't know if there's anything, Linux, okay, it shows, okay. I'm gonna double install this because I already have Homebrew. I hope this doesn't explode anything. Okay. Then type in your terminal. Press enter to install. So hopefully it's just updating Homebrew because I've already had it installed. You can see here its installation is successful. Okay. So now I've uninstalled Homebrew. Now I'm going to paste this command into terminal and press enter. So copy, and then here again it says copy paste is blocked, so I will turn off ublock origin just for this page, refresh, and then I can turn it back on. So we're going to skip, copy, and then we are going to go to terminal, and then I will actually quit this terminal and then remake it. That way it's refreshed. Then command V, press enter. So here, again, I'm in the tilde folder, which is the home folder on Linux. Now it's asking for my password, so just type your password, then it will install. Oh, you know what? This is the Homebrew install command, actually. I didn't have to go here. Okay, that's fine. After Homebrew installation, close the terminal, open it again. So here, I'll just install it a second time. That's fine. Now, how do you check if you have Homebrew installed? So we're going to go here. And we're gonna find the terminal. So I've already had it installed. Well, let's type brew version. It'll tell me I have Homebrew installed. Now we're going to install the required dependencies. So again, here we can just copy. And terminal, I'll do paste, which is command V. This is not it. Let me copy like this. So this is brew install Android platforms, okay, and then sudo, okay. Then I'll press enter. This will just install everything that's required to, do you want to proceed? Yes. This will just install everything required for compiling on Mac for Android. So that's how this is going to work. And then installing everything. Okay, and it's asking for my password again, so okay, so now we will proceed with actually installing Kivy Reloader. So it's right here. It's going to be this curl command. So I'm going to copy right here. Then I'll go to my terminal, and then I'll paste. And then here I'm still in the home directory. So I'll just go. And then remember, because this will automatically run Kivy Reloader build, to hook up your phone already, and then make sure to say yes to any prompts that says, oh, it's it needs permission right here. We built already the initial hello world folder, and then now you can see right here Buildozer starting to build. So basically I'm going to wait until Buildozer builds and then I'll come back because it'll take like maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Run the command again because basically it built, so you can just always rerun this, although you shouldn't, but just for me to show you that it works, I'm gonna start from the beginning. So I ran this curl command, and now we're gonna wait just a little bit because it's already built, but on subsequent builds it will be very fast because it doesn't have to build everything from scratch. So that's why Kivy Reloader is pretty good. Now we're gonna go here, just wait for it to verify that things have built, and then it will connect to the phone. And yeah, you pretty much have your first Kivy app on Android. So let's wait for it just for a little bit. There, as you can see, it's building and it's connected to the phone, and also screen copy is turned on. Now we can see that Kivy Reloader has built, so this is the first Hello World app. One thing I will show you is the uninstall, because I've already installed this to, you know, test it out. So now it says here to copy this command and then do it in bash. So I'm gonna do command space for Spotlight search, and I will just say terminal right there, and then I will Control V, which is actually Command V to paste. Press enter. This is just to uninstall, and then I'll let it uninstall, and then after that I'll show you the install. So this is uninstall complete. Restart your terminal. UV is and brew install dependencies are not removed because, you know, for example, if you have other Python projects, why would we destroy your UV install, right? Let's see. To uninstall UV, it will show like this. So now I've uninstalled it. Now that's pretty simple.